like most other accounting problems, problem 3 on Connect, which is exercise 14.5 in your textbook, is a problem where you have to start by digging through the bull. So I'm going to go through and underline in green the things that we know. I don't care about the name of the company. It's a mail order business. That's important because it means no cash. Sells clothes, wonderful, it sells, fine. Had sales of $400,000 in December. Any retail business will sell more in December than any other time of the year. Because it's in the mail order business, all sales are on account. We knew that. The company expects a 30% drop in sales for January. I've had clients who have had 90% drops in January. The balance in the accounts receivable account on December 31st was $61,000 and is budgeted, and budgeted is hoped for, wished for. The Ouija board told them they expect it to be $41,000 at the end of January. And then it says, okay, you got the information. How much cash are they expected to collect? This is, again, although this looks like it's a lot of accounting stuff, this is management questions. Okay, here's your sales. Here's how much cash do you think you're going to have at the end of the month? This is a management question based on accounting data, not an accounting question, really. So let's go through, and I wrote down assuming I can move one piece of paper, I wrote down the significant stuff. So they tell us the beginning accounts receivable, because we're looking at cash collected in January, so the beginning accounts receivable was the ending accounts receivable at the end of December. So what you ended with on December is what you started January with. So that's $60,000. Now, January sales on account. In December, they had $400,000 worth of sales. They expect a 30% drop or they expect sales to go down $120,000. So, 400 is what we had, minus the 120 that we expect to go down, 280,000 is what we expect. Now, that's the official way to do that. I'm lazy. You all know that. I've told you many times I'm looking forward to life support. If we had 40,000 and it's going to go down 30%, it means we're going to get 70%. $280,000. Big deal? No. But it was a dozen less numbers I had to write. In either case, our sales on account are going to be $280,000. So altogether, the total cash that we could possibly, conceivably receive would be what people owed us coming into the month and our sales for the month, and that totals $340,000. They tell us that at the end of the month, they expect, they hope, they pray, they believe that they're going to have $41,000 left in their accounts receivable. So if we could have collected $340,000 and we collected all but $41,000, the cash that we hoped to have collected is $299,000. Just make sure you got these pieces. This is what we started with. That's what was left over from December. This is 70% of December's sales. Those together is the total amount of cash that we could have possibly collected. This is how much we expect not to have collected by the end of the month. Therefore, that's how much we expected or hoped or prayed to collect for that month.